This is division strategy 3 using a pencil. It's the long division example though. This is definitely a year 8 strategy. It's very difficult to understand. It builds on short division, so you need to be understanding how to do short division first without any problems before you even look at this video. If you are understanding short division and you are wanting to try long division, here is the example. You have $4,689 and you want it to last 25 months. Okay, how much can you spend each month to make that work? So you're dividing 4,689 by 25. It lays out exactly like a short division example with the main number under the bridge and the divisor on the outside. Then you start from the left, just like all short division. How many 25s in 4? Obviously there are no 25s in 4, so you put the 0 at the top and you carry across the 4. So far so easy. How many 25s in 46? You might find it useful to have a piece of scrap paper to write down the 25 times table on. 1 25 is 25, 2 25s are 50, so if we're looking at how many 25s are in 46, we can only get 1 25 before we go past 50, so it's 1. And there's some remainders. Now 1 25 is 25, we had 46, so you've got quite a lot of remainders. Okay, you've actually got to carry off the 21, the other 21 that's left over, because 25 and 21 is 46. You put those down underneath. We could try and cram them in here, but it gets messy. So you put the 21, the remainder, down underneath, and you drop down the 8 that you're going to be working with next. You drop it down to make 218. Okay, so this 21 was the remainder from this part, and this 8 just drops down to make 218 when it's all put next to each other. Then we carry on with our 25 times table. Now we've got to think how many 25s are in 218. So we're going to keep working down our 25 times table over the side here. It's good to have a piece of scrap paper to just jot this down, repeatedly adding up until you get up near to the number. And there we've got up to 225, which is just past 218. So if we go down our 25 times table, there are 8 25s in 200. So 8 goes at the top. And we've got the remainder. We had 218, remember? We've used 200 of them, so we have a remainder of 18. And just like before, that remainder could squeeze in there, or you just drop it down underneath, down here, 18, and again slide the 9 down, okay? It's just like putting the 18 in here, just like with all the other remainder ones we've been doing. You could slide it in there, but most people drop it down underneath and slide the 9 down to make 189. Then we use our 25 times table again. Luckily we've got it written here already. That's why I suggest writing it down so you haven't got to keep doing it in your head over and over again. So we go down to get to 189. The nearest we can get to is 175, which is there, which is 7 25s. So we put 7 at the top. And again, we'll have some remainders. We've got up to 175. We had 189. So there are 14 left over. Drop the remainder in underneath again. And we're going to carry on. We can't do 25 into 14, of course. If we can't do the next one, which most of the time you won't be able to, you need to put in a placeholder. In maths, a placeholder is, of course, a 0. So we can pop in a placeholder there. We can do 25s into 140. Again, going down our 25 times table, we're going to get down to this one here, 125, which is the 5th one down. So 25s into 140 is 5. Put 5 at the top. Remember to put in a decimal because we've got past our units column now. We're now into the decimal range. This was the units, remember, 9. So once we've gone past the 9, anything past here is in the decimals, okay? So this is 5/10. There are some remainders again. We got up to 125. We had 140. So there are 15 left over, 15 remainders. Drop the 15 down the bottom. Again, you can't do 25 into 15. So stick in another placeholder, another 0. 25 into 150. We can do that one. There it is, look. 25s into 150 is 6. So we put our 6 at the top. No remainders, so we stop there. You could, if there were remainders, you could carry on. Most people, you only go to 2 decimal places anyway. 2 decimal places is pretty accurate. But if you wanted to, you just keep going until you basically get to a number that has no remainders, like this one here for us, 150, 150, 25s and 150 is 6, nothing left over, so that's our final answer. We can spend $187.56 each month, and that will be our $4,689 over 25 months.